Hey everyone, welcome back to Chime Guides. I'm Edgar and I've been a Chime member since 2020. And today we're showing you just how easy it is to make a mobile check deposit. With Chime, you can deposit a check with your phone from anywhere, anytime, and it's super simple. Let's get into it. First, you'll want to check your check to make sure the name it's written out to matches the name on your Chime account exactly. Then, go to your Chime app. Then find the Move section at the bottom of your screen. Then, tap Deposit Check and choose the type of check you want to deposit. Sign your check and get it ready. Follow the instructions in the app to help you do it right. Enter the check amount and confirm your deposit limits in the app. Make sure you have good lighting, a solid background, then snap a photo of the check, front and back. Review and submit. Depositing your check with Chime is always fee-free. While most checks are available within minutes, some can take up to 5 business days for funds to be made available. So, to recap, Chime Mobile Check Deposit is a super convenient way to deposit your checks with just a few taps on your phone. And when you set up a qualifying direct deposit, you can unlock all the best Chime has to offer, like fee-free overdraft coverage up to $200, getting up to $500 of your pay when you say with my pay, and so much more. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Chime. Thanks for watching.